As you can see, the shape of the living room is difficult to work with. I've moved this couch and the armchair in multiple ways, but this is the best solution I could find. I don't think if I had bought something else, I would have been able to change that. So, this is the layout that we're stuck with. With that said, let me show you what we've got in the living room so far. And now, here's a list of the things we want to buy. The most challenging thing in the living room is the TV situation, but more on that later. The first thing we're going to do is change this coffee table. Initially, I wanted to get an oval coffee table because I think it would look best, but I couldn't find anything I liked. So I ended up doing something crazy and bought 2 coffee tables instead, which are arriving tomorrow. Open this! Oh, why is it not coming out? Oh, sloppy. Oh. Oh my god. Yes. Holy crap, I'm sorry. Okay. One down. Ready?
Yes. Wow. Looks so nice.
Time to get a proper TV setup. Earlier, I mentioned that the TV setup would be complicated. Let me explain. The problem is that the measurement from the bottom compared to the top is not the same. This is because the wall goes inwards from the left as you go up. Well, that complicates things. I have to take into consideration the height and the length of the furniture. On top of that, the wall also comes inwards from the front. So, the total height of the furniture and the TV has to be considered. With that, the TV has to be big enough as it is quite far away from the couch. But somehow, I found a solution. That should do it. Oh my god, it feels heavy. So, I bought this piece of furniture primarily for the aesthetic. But the previous owner said, lucky for me, that the speakers are fully operational. However, this thing is from the 70s, so I can't plug it in directly into a modern TV. Long story short, I had to do a lot of research and I found a solution for it, which is this, a digital to analog audio converter. So I'm going to try to plug it in now to see if it works. it's not working. What have I done wrongly? Why? Well, as you can see, I couldn't get this thing to work. So what I did is I sent a message to the Amazon seller to try to find a solution. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is put down the carpet that I just bought from my recent trip to China in the living room. If you're wondering why I brought a 13 kilo carpet back from China all the way to France, it's because I couldn't find any decent options that would fit into this living room. At least not for the right budget. So I'm gonna have to move the heavy ass coffee tables. That wasn't so bad. And then I'm also gonna have to vacuum it because the doggo in China put his fur all over it. Nice. Ooh. Okay. Whew. Looks nice. Approved! Next on the agenda we have this wall. I was originally gonna put a poster on it, but my bike got stolen the day just before I left for my holiday. So the new plan is to put up a bike mount so that I can keep my bike at home. So I headed out on my new bike, or second-hand bike rather, to go rent a drill at Leroy Merlin. And I gave a call to my brother because he is much more hands-on than I am. What up, bitch? So I measured everything.
Okay.
Do you trust my genius?
No.
Oh, I mean, it should be okay.
It's fucking huge. I've never seen this before.
Oh no. It has to be 6 centimeters, by the way.
Deep?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
I guess so. Yeah, I mean, you're the one doing it.
I've never done such a big screw in my life.
That's 6 actually.
Really?
Yeah, that's exactly 6.
Completely intentional.
That's experience. Holy shit. Oh, nice.
Are you ready for the disappointment?
Oh, shit, it's in the middle. I've just realized it's sticking out quite far though.
Oh, but your bike is... it's going here?
Yeah. Well, I guess we just have to try and see. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you.
What?
The bike only fits by like 3 centimeters. Decoration. The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this lamp because it doesn't fit here anymore. I was reluctant to get rid of it at first, even though I do think it's quite ugly, because lamps are quite expensive. But now I have a reason. So let's get right to it. Man, this thing weighs a ton. Ooh. That looks pretty darn good. But, as usual, there is a problem. Because this adapter is not up to date. So it doesn't fit into the plug. And also, this thing doesn't have a switch, so I have to switch the wire. Why? Also, I have a second one, so I have to do it for both of them. Later in the day, I thought of a much simpler solution, which was to take out the light bulb and the wire from the lamp, and to get a new lamp to put the structure on top of it. Now, I will say that I'm not a huge fan of having the exact same piece in the same room, so I might replace one of the lamps for another one and put it in another room. But in the meantime, I'm gonna look for some plants. That looks pretty good. By the way, I found a way to make the speakers work. I literally just had to press a button. I was planning on putting a curtain over here originally, because it would definitely add to the space and look nice. But now I'm just thinking it's overkill, because first of all, I don't have much money left, because I already spent so much money on the living room. And it's pretty much winter now, so it's pretty dark and gloomy all the time. Another thing I don't really want to touch is what's going on over here with the shelves, because it was already here when we moved in. And honestly, it would just be a lot of work. Right now, I just want to post a video. So this will be a project for another time, as well as the lights. Right now, I just want to move on to the bedroom, because I spent so much time on the living room, and money also. So it's time to move on. Let me know what you guys would want to see for an update. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video to follow for more. Peace!